GCSE 9 to 1 Maths, a quick memorization for your upcoming non-calculator exam. The exact trig values for both years, the crossover topic, grade 4, grade 5. Okay, looking at a special technique to memorize it in hopefully, okay, 3 minutes. Okay, let's go. So, to work out sine of an angle, we do the square root of the number of fingers below divided by 2. For cos of an angle, we do the square root of the fingers above divided by 2. For tan of an angle, which is a bit more trickier, we do the square root of the fingers below and divided by the square root of the fingers above. Okay, so let's see that into action. So sine of 30. So we can see that 30 is here. Okay, so sine of 30. So sine of 30, okay, so using our rule here, is the square root, okay, of the number of fingers below. Well, there's one finger below, so it's a square root of 1 over 2, okay, which is equal to a half, okay, 1/2. Okay, and that's my answer for sine 30. Okay, what about sine 60? Again, similar idea, okay, so let's just delete that part there now. Okay, so sine 60, okay, look at the number of fingers below it. So sine 60 is here. There are 3 fingers below, so sine 60 is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. Okay, and that is my exact answer. Okay, so root 3 over 2. Okay, so sorry about my handwriting there, guys, I do apologize. So root 3 over 2. Okay, what about cos of the angle? So now let's just change it. So what about cos 30? Well, funny enough, actually, so cos 30 is actually same as saying sine of 60. Okay, but again, we'll obviously double check it. So cos 30 was the, sorry, the number of fingers above, so that'd be root 3 over 2. Again, it'd be root 3 over 2. Okay. And then cos 60 is same as sine 30, which is equal to a half. But again, we'll obviously double check it just to confirm it. Okay. So cos 60, okay. So the number of fingers above, so it's one finger above. Okay. So the square root of 1 over 1, which is equal to a half. Okay. So that's that one there. Okay. What about tan, guys? What about tan? A bit more trickier. So tan 30, so we do the square root of the number of fingers below that. So that'd be the square root of 1 over the square root of 3. Okay, because there's one finger below the 30-degree angle, which is 0. Okay, and then over root 3. So we're going to get 1 over root 3, which if we want to rationalize that, we can, and we get root 3 over 3. Okay, but either answer would suffice. Okay, so I haven't got the best handwriting today, but hopefully you can forgive me. Okay, so root 1 over root 3, which is 1 over root 3, which if we rationalize it, we get root 3 over 3. Okay, either answer would suffice. And this last one, again, tan 60, so it will be the square root of 3 over the square root of 1 this time. Okay, so square root of 3 over the square root of 1, which if we simplify that, we get root 3 over 1, which is just going to be root 3. Okay, so tan 60, okay, is the number of fingers below, which is 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3 over the square root of 1. It's the number of fingers above. We get the answer of root 3. Okay, so this is how to remember your exact trig values for your upcoming non-calculator exam. Okay, so I hope that actually makes sense. Okay, so just remember, for sine of an angle, it's the square root of the fingers below divided by 2. For cos of the angle, it's the square root of the fingers above divided by 2. And for tan, which is the most trickiest, it's the square root of the fingers below divided by the square root of the fingers above. Okay, and you simplify where possible. Okay, and you rationalize where possible. Okay, So remember that 1 over root 3 is same as saying root 3 over 3, okay? So I can write that as root 3 over 3 if I rationalize it, okay? But examiners would allow any of these two answers, okay, for tan 30, okay? So you're not, yeah, tan 30, so yeah, I'll put tan 60, sorry, that part there should be tan 60, sorry, okay? Root 3, okay? That's the end of today's video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please follow me on TikTok, subscribe to me on YouTube, like my video, okay, share this video out, okay, with any friends or family or neighbors that might find it useful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Take care. All the best with the revision. See you soon.